Next question, D. Okay, now part D says that what they will tell you, the probability of Z between negative 0.1, they told you it's a negative number, negative 0.1, and A is 0.3851, 0.3851. Okay, I want to find the value of A. Since you know 0.1, so can you find the probability of this one, right? This probability is 3851, right? The balance less than 0, negative 0.1 is 4602. That means this side is 4602. Can they show label? No, huh? Yes. So they tell us this is given by the question 3851 is this probability here, right? It's 3851. Okay, this one. Okay. This one is this one. Then we know this is 0.1. This is 0.1. Then from our calculator, you type in probability of Z less than negative 0.1. Can you use your calculator? You type there, use P bracket negative 0.1. Tell me what's the answer. Is it 4602?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so it's 4602. So that means this blank space here is 4602. Can you tell me what is the blank space here, the upper tail here? So the upper tail here, this part is 1 minus 4602 minus 3851. You use 1 minus this shaded area and the lower tail, you will get the upper tail. So the upper tail is 1547. So you look at the table there, 1547, right? 1547. 1547. Okay. 1547 lies between two numbers. So what are the two numbers? 1562 and 1539. Okay, so you choose the left hand side, 1562. So if you choose 1562, the difference with 1547, 62 minus 47, 62, 47, 15, 15. So the nearest one is 14, so we choose 14, right? We choose 14, and 14 correspond with 6. So the answer is 1.016. Is that correct? 1.016. Okay, so see, this type of problem, you have to draw the graph to visualize what you want to find. If you don't draw the graph, if you can imagine, then it's okay lah. But if you cannot imagine, then you may not be able to solve the problem. So for beginners, you try to draw the graph and see what they are talking about. Then from there, you minus this part, minus that part, then you get the probability of the A upper tail, right? The upper tail. Okay, this is D. We have E and F, two more questions. Two more questions. So again, now we try the E first. E, right? Huh, sorry, this one already hidden. Okay, correct. So the question is like this. Probability of Z between A and 2.1 is 0.8633. So I try to draw the graph because they say it's between A and 2.1. So I draw two lines. One is A, the smaller number is A, the bigger number is 2.1. So I draw the graph like this. Then the center part is the probability that is given. Now, in order to get the part that involves A, I have to find the 2.1 first. So what is the probability A greater than 2.1? Can you use your calculator? You don't use calculator also, you can see from here. 2.1 is this one, 0.179. 2.1, the probability is 0.179. Okay, right. Here it's shown already. 2.1 is 0.179. This is the probability, right? Okay, next one. The probability of Z greater than 2.1 is 0.0179. So if this part is 0.0179, how about the part less than A? You use 1 minus these two part, then you get the part less than A. Okay, show. Greater than A, you add these two part together. Less than A, you use 1 minus this. So you give 1 minus this, you get 1188. Okay, 1188. Okay, 1188 is the lower tail. How about the upper tail? Upper tail 1188, what is it? Find from the table here. So, okay, 1188. Now it shows us that, bear in mind that this A here is negative, right? A is negative. So we look at the table. 1188 lies between 1190 and 1170. Now what is the difference between 90 and 88? The difference is 2. Oh God, 2 is correspond with 1, right? 2 correspond with 1, correct. So the difference between 90 and 88 is 2. 2 correspond with 1. So the z-score is 1.181. 1.181. 1.181. But the A is on the left side, so it's a negative number. Any questions so far? No, can understand. Okay. Then we're going to hide this. Okay. Go over here. The last one. Last one. Is this the last one? Yes, this is the last one. Oh, hide first. Oh, cepat, hide first. Hide, hide, hide. Eh, what is this? Okay, okay, hide. So the question is, the probability of the magnitude of A, magnitude of Z less than A is 0.4742. Magnitude less than A means the center part. Magnitude more than A means the side, the two sides, the upper tail and lower tail. Okay, so but in this question they say less than A lah. But if let's say they say greater than A, then they are referring to the two sides, two parts. Greater than positive A, less than negative A. But if they say magnitude or the modulus, the absolute value less than A, they are referring to the center part between A and negative A. So the probability of Z between A and negative A is 4742. Actually this part 4742, right? How to find the probability of this part? One side. So probability find one side is I use 1 minus 4742. 1 minus 4742 is take away the center part. What is left behind is the side here, the lower tail and the upper tail. So what is left behind is two parts. So I have to divide by 2 to find only this part. And what is it? So the probability greater than A is 2629. Okay. Why divide by 2? Because 1 minus 0.4 is actually the two sides. But the two sides, they are symmetrical. So you divide by 2 to get one side, the upper tail. Okay. So one side is 0.62629. If I ask you the other side, is also 2629, this side here. But we don't want. We want to look at the upper tail only. Okay, so 2629 lies between two numbers. The two numbers are 2643 and 2611. 43 and 29. Answer 14. The difference is 14. 29 and 43. The difference is 14. Any 14 behind? No. Nearest one is 13. Correct. So you look behind, nearest one is 13. 13 correspond with 4. So the probability, so the z-score is 0.634. 0.634. And positive, right? The A is positive. So we have finished with how to find the z-score given the probability. We're going to look at some practical examples, right?